As you could see, it's raining today. And where I'm from, it seems like the weather is tied in to everyday conversations. For example, a person asks, "Hey, how are you?" And then the person responds saying, "Oh, it's sunny today. I feel great." And then the person asks, "How are you?" "Oh, it's been raining for the past 2 weeks and I feel kind of blah." For me, I love the rain. I love any kind of weather. The rain keeps me calm, it's like a second shower for me. And it actually kind of reminds me back when I was standing at the bus stop. Me, my mom, my sister, we were trapped in the rain. And then I said, "Oh, this is my second shower." Because I was getting showered down by the rain and I already had a shower that morning. So that's my second shower. So it's kind of a beautiful moment every time I hear the rain. Rain is here for a reason. It's to grow our plants, to grow our food, our herbs. It's to bring nature out every day. But if you don't like to go out in the rain, that's fine. You could sit somewhere where you could hear the rain hitting the window to when you're reading a book or you're playing a game. Just listen to the drops because it sounds very beautiful. Like even right now, being out here, it sounds very beautiful.